I just wanted to say a few words about our annual report this year, because it's going to be different. Normally we publish in January, it's a weighty tome, but there's a lot of interesting material in there. But this year we thought it'd be more useful for you to find out now, right at the start of term, what we thought went well last year, but also some areas where we think we can improve on. So we're publishing a much shorter report in September. I hope you read it. And in there, to make things easier for you to disseminate and assimilate, we'll have very, very clear takeouts for every single sector within the Welsh education and training landscape, and including a section on the curriculum development in schools, because obviously that's a major thing at the moment. So we hope you'll find it useful. We'll also be publishing a fuller version in January, but again, that'll be different. Again, there'll be bits to take out and more information really that hopefully makes it more useful for you. So I hope you have a look. I hope you take something away from it, and please let us know if it's more useful. Diolch.